Hi everyone, welcome back to Defi Daily. It will be a quick video. As you can see, the position is quite different from what I used to have, because right now I am in the airport and just flying because I have to move in another city. But I thought in any case that it would be a good idea just sharing with you a couple of thoughts about what just happened. As you have seen, probably the Bitcoin price has gone down by over the 10% and has also touched the 41K dollar. The reason why I decided to do this video is just to say you guys, stay calm, don't rush things. Don't close position just because you are seeing everything in red. This is not the moment to be emotional, but just to follow your strategy. And that's one of the reasons, because every time before doing anything, I'm always saying, don't open a position if you don't have already set your rules, because this kind of situation are not something that are uncommon. It's pretty common to see a dump like this, even if right now we have done into the price of Bitcoin something like we have done 20% in just a matter of even an hour and a half, something like that. And that's pretty common. So you have to be prepared to it in order to not rush things and just closing position in loss. That's the worst scenario. So just stay calm and follow your strategy. If in your view, and if you open a position just in the long term, just keep it open and don't worry. You just follow what was your plan. Otherwise, if you don't have a plan, and that's the main problem and the main lesson, the real value that you can get from this situation is that remember, next time, always set a rule before and after open position. In any case, right now this scenario hasn't changed. We are still quite bullish. We haven't done a lower low, so the structure is quite good, even if we are still dumping. We will have to check where the price of Bitcoin will stop in order to understand how the rest of the market will follow. In any case, another interesting thing that I want to share with you right now is about Spell, Popsicle, and Crypto.com. Probably you remember that a couple of weeks ago I made a video about each of these single tokens, and in each of them I was telling to you, guys, don't FOMO in, because a token that has just made 6x, 20x, 30x is a token that is overextended, and opening a position in that moment could be quite. Pay really attention on this kind of tokens that has grown so much, because yes, they are great, the fundamentals are good, and in the future they can grow even higher, especially if the platform confirms this kind of growth and reach even higher total value locked inside the platform. But for now, at least for me, it is a nope. I will not invest because the extension is so high. If the Bitcoin price will go through a major correction before the Spell token is able to reach new all-time highs, it's quite probable that we will see again some lower price. We will have to wait for the next correction, about 15-20% by Bitcoin. In that case, we will find a new low, and from that point and later we will start growing, reaching new all-time high. So keep in mind this, because that's true that in my opinion at least this is one of the most and the hottest token in the whole industry, but it's not to say that this would be the top and we will go only up. In this moment I was telling you, guys, don't just FOMO in and open a position in the moment when the price of Bitcoin is going through a major correction. Exactly what happened today. So, and the same you can notice it also from ICE. The price were around $60 and has retraced to where we are around $13. So I'm not saying open a position right now. What I'm suggesting to you is, from now on, this is the time to start thinking about, if you like all of these projects, this is the right time to start to think about if you want to open a position or not, because the fundamentals are exactly the same of just 1 month ago. The only thing that has changed is that the price of Bitcoin has dumped massively, and so also all the tokens that were overextended, like Popsicle Finance, that made like from 4 to 60, so it means 15 times in not even a month. And the same happened to Spell token, that has gone from just almost nothing to something in just a matter of 1 month. So from now on, start following this token. My suggestion is don't just ape in. If you like the project, you can do some tranche. You can try to DCA in order to keep an average price that is around this kind of level. But in any case, always follow the price of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the king, and this is what will take the market up or down. Another thing that I want to share with you is about all the DAOs token, because many of you were starting to wonder if it is the right time to sell or not. As I said before, you need a strategy before doing anything. In any case, that's quite normal to see a major retracement also on all the tokens of DAO, included Time, OHM, SPA, and so on. That's quite normal, because all of these tokens are really volatile. People that were in profit, when they are seeing that price can dump so massively, at the first sign of weakness, they will start selling. And from that moment on, a major cycle of fear will start, and everyone will start to sell. So that's quite normal to see, even just in one day, 20% down, 37% down, 30%, and so on. So just don't rush, don't follow your feelings, follow your strategy. Nobody can tell you if right now the price will start to recover or will go even deeper. We are not here to forecast the future. Everything is going on, it depends from Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will find a bottom right here, that's quite probable. Also the DAO tokens will start again to increase, because the insane APY is still there. So the greediness of people is something that has not just disappeared. So all the elements are telling us that the situation can revert, and we can keep going up again. But stay calm, follow your strategy, follow Bitcoin, and don't rush anything, because taking decision following just your feelings is probably the worst decision that you can take. So guys, that was this quick update. Sorry for the light, sorry for everything, but I'm just in airport, so I can do much better. In any case, I will publish another couple of videos later today that are about some DAOs, and I will see you tomorrow with another update. Bye guys.